Today I'm very, very excited because we are here in Xochimilco, which is almost an hour away from Mexico City, and we're gonna do a canal boat tour. I really like this area. The whole area seems very authentic. You see locals here, selling their things or just talking to each other, and there are these little cute animals called the acolote that live in this lake. I hope that we can see one. It's so lovely to walk along the river because all the workers here, they're painting their boats and doing a lot of nice designs. It's very pretty. And it's like smell of new paint. We're getting on our boat. We got to choose which one we wanted. Muñequita is the one we chose, and it means a little doll. And the funny thing is that our boat is also a passageway, so people are passing and going to their boat, and soon it's going to be just us here.
That is coconut fiber, and is working it in a way that prevents basically the water from getting in. It's really fascinating to see local life unfolding. It feels like it's a little community, honestly, because everybody kept on saying hi to each other. So maybe they do know each other because they stay here all the time. And it's a beautiful tradition to witness.
Okay, so now I think we finalized our order, what we want to take. You can buy your beers and water, and then they'll bring it on the boat. It's lovely. I already know that's going to be a nice experience. So when you get here, people come approach you, they tell you the price. You can get a boat by yourself, or you can get a shared boat with others, but it's still very good price. And once you get on the boats, there are vendors that come and sell you food, drinks, and things like that. Okay, I like this one. We just ordered a michelada. Wow, this requires some skill because everything is done while the boat is moving, and they have to balance between navigating and making, the drinks and stuff. It's a very efficient system. ¿Es mejor claro o tecate? Sí, sí. Look at the portion. What do they call it in the U.S.? This is a 40.
Xochimilco is one of the last living traces of the Aztec world in modern-day Mexico City. Originally part of a vast lake system, this area was transformed by the Aztecs through the creation of chinampas, man-made islands that turned the shallow waters into fertile farmland. These floating gardens allow them to grow food year-round, supporting massive populations like that of Tenochtitlan, their capital city. Today, Xochimilco's canals are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. You can still glide through the waterways on brightly painted trajineras, flat-bottom boats that carry music, food and families through the same routes once used by ancient farmers. It's also home to the endangered ajolote, a rare amphibian that never grows up, literally. We will show you some of them later.
Around these lakes, there are the so-called chinampas, where they grow vegetables, and a lot of the restaurants that we tried in the city, some of their vegetables were coming from there.
Chinampas were an ingenious farming method developed by the Aztecs in central Mexico. Often called floating gardens, they weren't actually floating. They were man-made islands built on shallow lake beds. To create them, the Aztecs wove together reeds and stakes, layering mud and decaying vegetation on top. These plots were then anchored to the lake bed using willow trees, which also helped hold the soil in place. This technique allowed the Aztecs to farm year-round, producing crops like corn, beans, squash and tomatoes, even in areas with limited land.
Muy honrado que me gusta lo mismo. Las mujeres no me faltan, ni el dinero ni el amor. Jineteando mi
Ok, buenas tardes. Nunca,
bracitos
nunca
de
probé el esquite.
Un esquite.
Sí, ¿es rico?
Mayonesa y quesito, oh, sabroso.
Ok, mayonesa, sí.
Más rico que el caldo de camarón.
¿Sí?
Ahorita que lo pruebe le voy a decir, qué rico.
Ok, voy a decirlo, vamos a hacer una publicidad.
Mayonesa y quesito, ¿verdad?
Sí,
¿Un poquito picante o sin picante?
me gusta picante.
Picante, oh. A ver, mira, picante,
Ok,
poquito.
ahí estamos.
Buen provechito.
Muchas gracias.
De nada.
Voy a probarlo ahora enfrente de usted, ¿ok?
Listo, provechito.
Qué rico.
Exquisito.
Qué bueno, qué bueno. Buenos días, ¿qué tiene que comer?
Hola, buenos días. Tengo carne asada, pollo frito, pollo con mole.
Guys, we knew this was going to be fun, but we really didn't imagine this much. There's so many things going on around us.
I'm overstimulated right now, and I don't know what it means that something is touristy because it's full of locals. We don't even see any tourists. I think we're the only tourists. And it's just so much fun. People are genuine, they're happy, they talk to you, the vendors, interacting with them is just amazing. The food is great, the attention to everything, whatever you want, you ask, they will bring it. So it's just absolutely not to miss.
And the funny thing is that they said that on Monday it's kind of calmer. It is calmer, but it's still like
It's still
a mess,
so much
a very
fun.
beautiful mess.
Yeah, so much fun.
So much
if you
fun.
want, I think a little bit of both, maybe weekdays are good because I think on Sundays maybe you can barely move because everybody's here.
Yes.
But today is lovely.
Our captain just came with a few extra bottles of beers, and it's very cool because he said that only if you end up drinking it, you're gonna pay for them. So it's nice to have it, and it also comes with some nice ice to keep it cool. Alejandro, esos son los chefs, los cocineros.
Chicken tacos.
It's amazing. Chicken?
Yes, chicken tacos.
Chicken, yeah. Thank you.
Quesadillas. Meats, quesadillas. Tacos de carne.
Qué linda. Gracias.
Mi nombre es Axel. Hola.
Hola.
Estoy para servirles aquí en Xochimilco.
Okay.
Ahorita estas señoritas que nos hicieron el favor de venir a visitarnos me pidieron un coquito preparado, solo el agüita aparte, el hielo es de la mejor calidad, es filtrado y la botana del coquito es así. Es coco con limón, sal y un poquito de chilito.
Okay.
Este solamente me lo pidieron para beber y lleva un poquito de mezcal.
This is how they prepare it here. You put a little bit of spicy pepper and then some lime and I don't know, with my hand. I'll try it. No, it's good. Perfect.
Excelente tarde, chicos, bienvenidos. Les ofrezco la pruebita de pulque. El del centro es el original, alrededor son diferentes sabores. Les ofrezco de mazapán, piña con apio, escarchado con sal y gotitas de limón en la parte de adentro, guayaba y piña colada.
This is my first time trying pulque. This is the original one. Wow. Muy bonito.
Qué bueno.
You know the texture? I thought that it was going to be like tequila or mezcal, but it's a little bit dense. It's lovely.
Xochimilco les da la bienvenida a México y lo recibe con los brazos abiertos. Ferrero Rocher con Nutella
per l'italiano.
y chocolate abuelita. Los tres sabores en uno solo.
It's so good.
So, entonces, ¿tengo que empujar o...?
Tienes que empujar y volver a sacar. Tienes que volver a sacar hasta arriba, volver a clavar y empujar.
Empujo
hacia abajo.
Esto empujo.
Ajá, hacia abajo. Tiene que tocar el fondo.
Wow, this is hard work. I suck.
Es un poco complicado.
Sí.
Es mucho trabajo.
I give up. Mucho trabajo. Wow. I think that is really, really hard work. And it takes quite some skills to do that. It's very, very. So you have to put it down. You have to put it inside the water really fast, so that you have enough leverage to push away afterward. They make it look easy. I'm telling you, this is no Venetian gondolier. Way harder.
So welcome to the Axolotarium. My name is Abby and I will be your guide, okay? So here we have the axolotl. This is a Mexican amphibian. They are endemic from here, Xochimilco. It means that originally you can only find it here, not even in another part of the city or the world, just here in Xochimilco. If you see, we have golden, pink and black axolotls in this tank, but the original one is black because it helps them to camouflage and hide in wildlife. But in captivity, they start to reproduce with their own family, so they are mutations, and that's why we have pink and golden axolotls. But the original one is black, okay? They are 1 year old, but they can live 10 to 15 years and reach 1 foot of length. They are 6 months. You can see they are babies. We have pink and black babies. Yeah, and they are very cute. But the name axolotl means monster of water. I don't think that name suits them because they are very cute, but it's monster of water because a legend. In Aztec mythology, Xolotl was the god of fire and he had to sacrifice himself to create the sun and the moon and the day and the night. But he didn't want to, so he ran away and transformed into axolotl for hiding inside the water. That's why we call them axolotl, because of Xolotl. At the end, Xolotl had to sacrifice anyway, but that was a good try because thanks to him, now we have the axolotl.
One question, so do people eat them?
Yeah, like 20 years ago, there used to be a lot of axolotls in wildlife, so people used to eat them in tamales, in mole. Yeah, it was part of the food here. Even my grandma used to eat axolotl when she was a child, and she told me they taste like fish. So
Nice.
I trust her. I don't want to try axolotl, but I trust her.
I'll be also not willing to try it. It's too cute.
Yeah,
too beautiful.
Cute. This is a bearded dragon, and his name is Zack.
Zack?
Yeah.
So I can caress him? ¿Puedo tocarlo?
Sí.
Okay. Cute.
Yeah, he can poop out this part of the neck.
Yes.
When he feels stressed or in danger.
He puffs
Yeah.
when he's stressed?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
But he's calm here.
Yeah, very cute.
Here we have two ball pythons.
I don't see it.
Hiding.
Oh, pythons. I'm scared.
They are small.
Python is very scary. All right. No, you can keep it there. You can keep it there.
Inside?
Like this. This distance. So how come they don't bite or anything?
This is Paquita.
Paquita, el
Yeah,
nombre.
it's a ball python.
Paquita es el nombre?
Sí.
Sí. Okay. Caress. Oh wow, okay. I feel like it's all muscles, like not very. It's like a muscle. It feels.
Yeah, it feels like that. That's Leo. And if you see the spots in the skin, they are like a fingerprint because it's different for each gecko. And they can lose the tail when they feel in danger, and then they will regenerate the tail.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
This one is, sorry, the pythons.
Yeah. We have 3 of them here because we're cleaning the boxes right now. So it's just for today. We have butter. Is this one? Let me show you.
I must confess, I'm vaguely unsettled and a bit scared.
This is butter. It's a Burmese python. And if you see this skin,
Wait. He's not gonna want to eat it?
no.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's the friend of butter.
Yeah, friend, I don't know.
Yeah.
Parece
And
comida.
we're friendly, but yeah. That's the skin of butter.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So interesting. It's as if the skin, there is like a space between the muscle and the skin.
Yeah.
Is it because it's elastic?
A little bit. It's because they can, when they eat,
They can stretch.
they need to get like,
Okay.
bigger.
Okay. Sorry for my family in the US. I know that you are afraid of snakes, but I had to do it. And probably also my mom in Italy. Ciao, mamma. In my whole life, I'm scared. And
So this part of the bridge is let it be, and this part you can hold it like that.
can you hold the face?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah. There's just the face that is like a bit.
Okay.
Oh my god. Yeah.
So in front of me and in front
Yeah.
of us. Are you ready?
Oh my god. Can you hold the face?
Yeah,
Just
I can
just
hold
just
it.
only one, only yeah, that bit.
Okay.
Okay.
You hold it.
Okay, only this. I'm okay. I'm okay. No, hold that. You hold it. Touch it. Okay, he's moving. We're good. We're good. We're getting acquainted and know each other. He's alive. I'm like, okay. It reminds me of the massage chairs, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so funny. Okay, I'm satisfied.
Okay.
You got it. Thank you. Oh, he's losing some skin, I see.
Yeah.
He's shedding a little bit.
Yeah. It's start to shine the skin again.
Done.
Y ahí está la voluntario. ¿Eso que ya pasamos? ¿Sí?
We hope you liked this episode. In the next video, we will visit ancient pyramids and share more amazing areas in Mexico City. The best is yet to come, so make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification not to miss it.
Baby, yo te quiero a ti, exclusivamente para mí.